Hi, this is Healer Priya Vijay. Now I am going to show you the acupressure points for menstrual cramps. Okay, some people used to get the pain during their menses time, so you can very well stimulate these 2 points to get rid of the abdomen pain. Okay, that is abdomen as well as the menstrual pain. These are very efficient and powerful point. The first point is located in your leg. This point you can do in either of your right leg or left leg, and whatever point I am showing you can do in either of your leg, and if I show you any point in hand, you can do it in either of your hand, left hand or right hand. So this first point is located here. This point is ST44, that is stomach 44. This can be very well easily located. This is located just in the mid of the second and third finger. I have marked it here. Okay, so this is a region. Okay, this is the location just at the joining. If you have a Jimmy rod, you can very well use this Jimmy rod to stimulate this point. Just press it over for 1 to 2 minutes. If you don't have, also not a problem. Just use your right hand index finger. At the tip of the index finger is very powerful. So just place it over here and give a acupressure for 1 to 2 minutes minimum. Okay. Then while doing these points itself, you can very well feel the difference. It is within maybe 5 to 10 minutes itself, the pain will be getting reduced and totally you will be out of the pain. The another point is located here, that is SP6, spleen 6. This can also be easily located. This is the inner ankle bone. Just keep 3 chun from the inner ankle bone. 3 chun is nothing but use your 4 fingers. This is the 3 chun measurement. Just keep your fingers on top of this bone. Okay, this is the bone located area. Just keep it over. So the end of the 4th finger is the SP6. Just give a mild pressure for 1 to 2 minutes. Few people may be having pain at this area. It's not an issue. Okay, just give a gentle pressure for 1 to 2 minutes. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please like it, comment it and share it. Okay, so those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe the channel and click on the notification icon to get the notification on the latestly posting videos. Have a healthy life. Thank you.